Puberty is a significant stage of human development where the body undergoes a series of changes, transforming a child into a sexually mature adult. These changes are driven by hormones, which are powerful chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions. In both boys and girls, puberty is initiated by the hypothalamus in the brain, which begins to release gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH. This hormone signals the pituitary gland to produce two key hormones, luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. In boys, these hormones stimulate the testes to produce testosterone, leading to the development of male sexual characteristics, such as increased muscle mass, deepening of the voice, and the growth of facial and body hair. In girls, LH and FSH stimulate the ovaries to produce estrogen, which promotes the development of female sexual characteristics like breast development, the widening of hips, and the growth of pubic hair. Estrogen also plays a crucial role in preparing the body for reproduction by initiating the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a complex process that prepares the female body for the possibility of pregnancy. It typically lasts around 28 days and is divided into 4 stages: the menstrual phase, the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. The cycle is meticulously regulated by 4 key hormones: FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. The menstrual phase marks the beginning of the cycle. This is when the lining of the uterus, which had thickened in anticipation of a fertilized egg, is shed if pregnancy has not occurred. This shedding manifests as menstrual bleeding. The drop in estrogen and progesterone levels triggers the shedding of the uterine lining, marking the start of a new cycle. Following menstruation is the follicular phase, during which FSH stimulates the growth of follicles in the ovaries. Each follicle contains an immature egg. As these follicles develop, they begin to produce estrogen, which not only helps thicken the uterine lining again, but also signals the pituitary gland to reduce the release of FSH, ensuring that only one follicle continues to mature. The rising estrogen levels eventually trigger a surge of LH, leading to ovulation. Ovulation, the third stage of the menstrual cycle, occurs around the midpoint of the cycle. The surge in LH causes the mature follicle to release its egg from the ovary, a process known as ovulation. The egg then travels down the fallopian tube, where it may encounter sperm and become fertilized. Ovulation is the time in the menstrual cycle when a woman is most fertile. The final stage is the luteal phase. After releasing the egg, the empty follicle transforms into the corpus luteum, which secretes progesterone. Progesterone plays a crucial role in maintaining the thickened uterine lining, making it ready to support a fertilized egg. If the egg is not fertilized, the corpus luteum breaks down, leading to a decline in progesterone levels. This decrease signals the body to shed the uterine lining, and the menstrual cycle begins again with menstruation. The entire menstrual cycle is a finely tuned process controlled by the interplay of FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone. Each hormone has a specific role in ensuring the cycle progresses smoothly, preparing the body for the possibility of pregnancy each month. The rise and fall of these hormones create the changes in the ovaries and uterus that characterize the different stages of the menstrual cycle, illustrating the intricate coordination required for reproductive health.